This is a very must for every YouTuber to do this setting right now. If you want to protect your channel, I don't really know why YouTube allows some of unverified and some of unapproved user in your channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can block or remove unapproved user on your YouTube channel, so you protect your channel in terms of comment. You may be surprised if you post some video on your channel and you have some irrelevant comment that does not relate to your topic on YouTube. This is very much important to do this setting right now, so that the people that post a spam comment, a spam like, and a spam field, they will be blocked and removed totally from your channel. So this setting is very much important for every YouTuber to do right now. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see what are the actual settings you need to do to block some unverified and unapproved user on your channel. So let's get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel, Exec Graphics and Multimedia, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about YouTube topic, you forget to notify and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, please put your question in the comment section down below. So let's dive into the tutorial and see the right setting for you guys to do right now to block unapproved user on your channel. So first thing for you have to open up your channel and then navigate to your YouTube studio. So YouTube studio. All right, so after you get to your YouTube studio, you have to come here, click on settings. Then from setting, you have to look for community. Go to community. Then from community, under the automate filters, okay? So you just have to scroll down a little bit. So as you see at this point here, these are hidden users that you don't really know them, but they were hidden in your channel, posting irrelevant comments on your channel. So for you to remove them is a very simple thing. So you can see these people right here, they were so much on my channel. You can see them. You can see they were so much. So all these people right here, you might have something similar on your channel also. Each time you post on YouTube, they might be the first to comment on your video, or they are all they are all hidden users that you don't even know them on your channel. So you can see them, you can see their ID and stuff like that. Now for you to block these people and keep your channel safe and healthy, all you have to do is to make sure you just tap on this point. Remove all hidden user. You can see that once you click on remove all hidden users, so you can see we have empty space now. So finally, you just have to click on save now. So when you click on save now, these people, they will not have access to your channel any longer, and your channel is going to be safe from scammers that post on irrelevant comment on your YouTube channel. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks about YouTube success. And also, if you would like to join my YouTube Academy on WhatsApp, you can click the link in the description of this video and get started. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.